We'll move on to the next primitive called Wedge. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of different parameters. Let's just see what the default setting is. Okay, so it's sort of like a donut shape, except it's using sort of squares. Okay, so this could be designed for a multitude of different things. This could be used to make different kind of mechanical parts or variations of different things for detail. Let's undo this and hit Wedge again. Let's change the variation here. Let's try, maybe 8. See what that gives us. Okay, so you can see how it makes it more boxy, more hard-edged. Okay, let's undo that. Let's see what happens if we do 5. Okay, so sort of an interesting shape, something you might see in a logo type of thing, but like I said, can be used for all different purposes. And then say we use it to go for more round shape like a donut, except because it's using a square and it's kind of looking like it's lathing it. Let's press 32. See? Nice and round. Okay, so there's all different things that we could do with something like this. You know, we could alternate some of this stuff, selections, and you know, possibly do some interesting extrusions to make different types of shapes. Say, for instance, you went to the multiply tab and you hit bevel. Okay, and you could make some interesting parts based off of some of these, how should I say, these primitives. You know, we came around and grabbed some of these. I'll just try to grab some of this stuff quick. This is just to give you an example of the cool stuff that you could possibly do to create some anything like detail parts, sci-fi kind of stuff, very, very quickly. Let's hit bevel again. Oops. Boom. See, got a cool looking part. Some sort of weird funky gear or something that can be attached to a wall, or who knows, or this could actually be like a physical, you could somehow turn this into an actual building or something and just add windows and stuff, and you know, there could be all sorts of different things that you can do. Or this could be part of you know, maybe in a spaceship, part of one of the thrusters, where this could be the where some of the flames come out flying out the side, and you got some interesting detail of the thrusters. So, like I said, a lot of different stuff you can do with these shapes and get some interesting geometry very, very fast. And it would be very difficult to try to build this, to get this basic shape doing this by hand. You could, like I said, do this with the lathe tool, create this, but like I said, this is pretty cool. Okay, we're going to move on to the next tool.